Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Snapchat. This is ticker SNAP. So Snapchat had a nice big earnings gap up here in July. And ever since then, it's just kind of been going sideways. We have this nice month and a half long base of sideways consolidation around its 8-day and its 21-day exponential period moving averages. Now, as a swing trader, those are some of the key moving averages that I use to make my trading decisions. As you can see, we had this little bit of a downside reversal day. It ran up, sellers came in and pushed it back down to the 8-day, fell below the 21-day, but then came back up and recently has just kind of been going sideways. Now, I can draw a trend line from this rejection day here, and it's pretty close to where we ended the day today. So we have this clearly defined level of resistance on this downward sloping trend line. Here, and we're right under that level today. So what I want to see from Snapchat is a move through that downward sloping trend line coming on volume. So I would probably want to have an alert on Snapchat right around 77.50, and I'd want to watch for a volume thrust through that level. Now, in terms of risk management, like I said, I like to use the 8 and 21-day exponential period moving averages, so I probably want the stock to be able to hold above and close above that 72.90 level. So if I'm buying up here, I'm kind of risking about 6%, so I probably wouldn't want to go full size on the initial breakout. As you know, in this market, a lot of breakouts have been failing or have been retested. So if we do get a nice break, we could potentially see a natural reaction back down to the moving averages before follow through to the upside. So you'd only really want to size in on that follow through to the upside, or if we can make a new high above this high here, that level is at around $81. Make sure and keep an eye on it. Maybe add it to your watch list too. I hope that video was helpful. And hey, if you are a member of Stock Market Mentor, be sure and check your email inbox, as Dan Fitzpatrick sent out a great tutorial on Bollinger Band volatility squeezes. Now, this is one of Dan's key setups. He is the one who taught me all about volatility squeezes, and he goes in depth. I think the tutorial tonight is like 45 minutes long just on this one setup, and it is great. So check your email inbox for that if you haven't already. And if you're not a member and you want to get great tutorials like that delivered to your inbox, be sure and take a trial. Click the link at StockMarketMentor.com, and we'll see you on the other side.